Dishwasher has standing water after a cycle? Check 3 things before calling anyone, one of these might fix it for free. Number 1, the dishwasher filter. At the bottom of the tub, twist counterclockwise, pull it out, rinse under running water. Use a soft brush for buildup. Most common cause of dishwasher drain problems. Free fix. Number 2, your garbage disposal. If the dishwasher drains through the disposal, run it for 15 seconds to clear food debris. Also, if you recently installed a new disposal, make sure the knockout plug was removed from the dishwasher inlet port. New disposals come with that port plugged. Extremely common mistake. Number 3, the drain hose. Make sure it's not kinked or sitting too low. It needs a high loop, going up near the top of the cabinet before coming down to the disposal. Without the high loop, dirty water flows backward into the dishwasher. If none of that works, the drain pump is probably bad. Humming during drain or total silence. Replacement costs $150 to $300. Dishwashers last 8 to 12 years, the shortest of any major appliance. If yours is 8+ and the repair exceeds $250, consider replacing. Same-day dishwasher repair: Samsung, Whirlpool, GE, KitchenAid, Maytag, Bosch, Frigidaire. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.